Day 4. Yesterday, you learned to start conversations. Today, the questions that keep them going. Phrase 1. ¿Cómo se dice esto en español? Slowly, ¿cómo se dice esto en español? It means, how do you say this in Spanish? The most useful question you'll ever learn. Point at anything and ask this, and you'll never run out of vocabulary. Use it anywhere, anytime you're stuck. Phrase 2. ¿Qué significa esto? Slowly, ¿qué significa esto? It means, what does this mean? For when someone says a word you don't understand, flip the question around instead of just nodding and pretending. Use it, conversations, menus, signs. Phrase 3. ¿Puedes repetir, por favor? Slowly, ¿puedes repetir, por favor? It means, can you repeat that, please? Nobody speaks slowly for beginners. This phrase buys you time without feeling embarrassed. Use it literally every conversation as a beginner. Phrase 4. ¿Hablas inglés? ¿Hablas inglés? It means, do you speak English? Your emergency exit when Spanish alone isn't enough. No shame in using it. Use it when you're genuinely stuck. Phrase 5. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? It means, what's your name? Casual and friendly. This is tú form for people your age or in formal settings. Use it meeting someone new, casual settings. Phrase 6. ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? It means, where are you from? One of the first questions in almost any small talk. Use it right after introductions. Phrase 7. ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuántos años tienes? It means, how old are you? Casual, common between people your age. Avoid with strangers or older people. It can feel too direct. Use it with peers, casual conversations. Phrase 8. ¿Dónde está el baño? ¿Dónde está el baño? It means, where's the bathroom? The most searched phrase by every traveler ever. Memorize this one before anything else. Use it restaurants, airports, literally anywhere. Phrase 9. ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? It means, how much does this cost? Essential for markets, shops, anywhere without visible price tags. Use it in shopping, markets, street vendors. Phrase 10. ¿A qué hora abre? ¿A qué hora abre? It means, what time does it open? Use it, planning your day around shops, museums, or restaurants. Phrase 11. ¿A qué hora cierra? ¿A qué hora cierra? It means, what time does it close? The pair to the last phrase, always useful together. Use it same situations, especially before you get stuck outside somewhere. Phrase 12. ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? It means, can I pay by card? Many small shops in Spanish-speaking countries are cash only, always worth asking first. Use at shops, taxis, small restaurants. Phrase 13. ¿Hay wifi aquí? Slowly, ¿hay wifi aquí? It means, is there Wi-Fi here? Use it cafes, hotels, restaurants. Phrase 14. ¿Me puedes ayudar? ¿Me puedes ayudar? It means, can you help me? Simple, polite, works in almost any situation where you're stuck. Use it getting lost, needing assistance anywhere. Phrase 15. ¿Está ocupado? Está ocupado. It means, is this taken? Useful for seats, tables, bathrooms, avoids awkwardly sitting where someone already is. Use it restaurants, public transport, bathrooms. Phrase 16. ¿Qué recomiendas? ¿Qué recomiendas? It means, what do you recommend? Perfect at any restaurant. Locals almost always know the best dish. Use it, restaurants, bars, unfamiliar menus. Phrase 17. ¿Está lejos de aquí? ¿Está lejos de aquí? It means, is it far from here? Use it before deciding to walk somewhere. Phrase 18. ¿Cómo llego a? ¿Cómo llego a? It means, how do I get to? Fill in the blank with any place. This phrase alone can navigate an entire city. Use it asking for directions.
Phrase 19. ¿Qué hora es? Slowly. ¿Qué hora es? It means, what time is it? Use it literally anywhere, anytime. Phrase 20. ¿Estás bien? Slowly. ¿Estás bien? It means, are you okay? Small phrase, big impact. Shows you actually care, not just making conversation. Use it when someone seems upset or after something goes wrong. 20 questions. Ask any one of these and you'll get an answer. Subscribe for day 5 tomorrow.